Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Craft Collection Ideas. If you love simple, natural, beautiful and budget friendly home decoration ideas, you are in the right place because in today's video we are going to explore some creative wall decoration ideas inspired by driftwood branches and other natural wooden elements. These ideas are shared for learning, inspiration, creativity, and discovering new possibilities for home decoration. You can look at these designs, understand the creative concept behind them, and use them as inspiration to develop your own ideas. Sometimes, beautiful decoration does not have to be complicated or expensive. Natural materials such as branches and piece of wood can bring a warm, rustic and peaceful feeling to a space. So let's explore these creative ideas together. First, let's talk about the beauty of natural wood. Wood has a unique texture, shape and character. No two pieces look exactly the same, which make natural wooden material interesting for creative projects. Branches can be arranged in different ways to create simple wall display. Depending on the shape and size of the space, you can take inspiration from different arrangements and create a design that suits your own homes. The first idea is a simple natural wall arrangement. A few branches can be placed together to create an artistic composition. Small decorative elements can be added around them to make the arrangement more interesting. This type of design can work well for people who enjoy a natural and minimal style. The important thing here is not to copy one particular design. Instead, use it as inspiration and think about how you can create something different with your own imagination. That is where creativity becomes important. Creativity allows us to see ordinary materials in new ways. Something as simple as a branch can become the starting point for beautiful decorative ideas. Another interesting concept is combining different texture. Natural wood can be paired with simple decorative materials to create contrast. Rough wooden texture can look beautiful alongside softer or smoother decorative elements. This combination can make a wall display look more balanced and visually interesting. When exploring craft ideas, learning also play an important role. By observing these different designs, we can learn about shape, arrangement, texture, proportions, and color combination. These observation can help us develop better ideas for your own creative projects. The next inspiration is a more artistic wall display using server branches. Branches can be arranged vertically or in an artistic pattern. The final appearance can change completely depending on how the piece or the beautiful decorations. This is one of the fun part of creative decoration. There is no single way to arrange natural materials. You can experiment with different layout and choose the one that matches your space and personal taste. For a small room, a small arrangement may look more comfortable and clean. For a large wall, several pieces can be arranged together to create a more noticeable decorative display. Another beautiful idea is to use natural wooden elements as a base for small decoration. You can take inspiration from different styles and create your own version using materials that are easily available to you. This can also encourage us to think about reuse and creativity. Instead of immediately throwing away every old and unused material, we can sometimes look at it from a different perspective and ask ourselves, can this become something useful or decorative. This way of thinking can encourage creativity and reduce unnecessary waste. However, when collection or using materials, always make sure they are clean, dry, safe, and suitable for the intending use. So, guys, natural walls, natural texture, and simple decoration can create a calm and rustic atmosphere. You can also experiment with the different shapes. For example, long branches can create a versatile effect, while shorter pieces can be arranged together to form a compact design. The possibilities are almost endless because every natural piece has its own shape and texture. The goal of creative content is not always to give you one fixed project to copy. Sometimes the goal is simply to give you a starting point. One idea can lead to another. So, guys, this is the connection between learning, inspiration, creativity, and ideas. Creativity helps us transform those possibilities into our own concept, and ideas give us the starting point to explore something new. So, guys, if you enjoy creative ideas, natural decor, the inspiration, and beautiful home decoration, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye, guys.